Hello, and welcome back to Epic English. I'm your host, Sarah.
And I'm Mark. Hello, everyone. So nice to have you with us again.
We're so happy you're here. Last time, we talked about tea. Today, we have another very British topic.
Oh, no. Let me guess. Is it about the weather?
Yes. How did you know?
Because British people talk about the weather all the time. It's our favorite topic of conversation.
It's true. We really do. So today, we're going to talk about British weather. Mark, tell me honestly, what do you think of the weather in the UK?
Well, it's not the best, is it? It rains a lot. It's often cloudy. But you know what? I still love it.
You love it? Why?
Because it's never boring. One day can have 4 seasons. Sunshine, rain, wind, and then sunshine again. It keeps life interesting.
That's so true. In the UK, you can experience all 4 seasons in one day. Let's give our listeners an example.
Okay, imagine it's a typical Saturday in April. You wake up and the sun is shining. Beautiful. So you decide to go for a walk.
You put on your sunglasses and leave the house. But after 10 minutes, the sky goes gray.
Then it starts raining. Not heavy rain, just light rain. You don't have an umbrella, so you get a little wet.
Then the rain stops. The sun comes out again. But now it's windy. Your hair is going everywhere.
And by evening, it's cold again. You need a warm jacket. 4 seasons in one day.
That is a perfect description of British weather. Mark, let's teach our listeners some important weather words.
Good idea. Let's start with the most common word in Britain, rain.
Yes, rain. We have many words for rain. Can you think of some?
Well, there's drizzle. That's very light rain, like small drops. It's not heavy, but it makes you wet slowly.
And there's shower. A shower is rain that comes and goes. It rains for 10 minutes, then stops, then rains again later.
Then there's downpour. This is heavy rain, like someone is pouring water from the sky. If you're in a downpour without an umbrella, you get very wet very fast.
My least favorite is drizzle. It's not heavy enough for an umbrella, but after 20 minutes, you're completely wet. It's annoying.
I agree. Okay, what about wind? We have different words for wind too.
Yes. Breeze is light, gentle wind. It's nice on a warm day. Windy is stronger, and gale is very strong wind, almost a storm.
In the UK, we get a lot of wind in autumn and winter. Sometimes it's so windy that trees fall down.
That's scary. Okay, let's talk about temperature. Mark, how do you describe different temperatures?
Well, cold is when you need a coat. Freezing is very cold when water turns to ice. Chilly is a little cold, but not too bad.
And for warm weather?
Warm is nice, maybe 20 degrees. Hot is when you want ice cream and cold drinks. Boiling is very, very hot, like 30 degrees or more. In the UK, we don't get boiling very often, maybe a few weeks in summer. The rest of the year is mostly mild or cool.
Mild is a good word. It means not too hot and not too cold. A mild day is about 10-15 degrees.
Perfect. Now let's talk about something very British, complaining about the weather.
Yes, we love to complain. In winter, it's too cold. In summer, it's too hot. When it rains, we complain. When it's sunny, we complain it's too bright.
It's true, but complaining about the weather is a way to connect with people. If you're waiting for the bus and it starts raining, you can say to the person next to you,
"Terrible weather, isn't it?"
"Exactly." And they will say, "I know, and I forgot my umbrella."
And then you have a conversation. Weather is a safe topic. Everyone experiences it, so everyone can talk about it.
That's a great point. Okay, let's learn some phrases for talking about the weather.
Number 1, what's the weather like? This means tell me about the weather now.
Number 2, it's pouring with rain. This means it's raining very heavily.
Number 3, it's a bit chilly today. This means it's a little cold.
Number 4, the sun is shining. This is a nice positive phrase.
Number 5, it's freezing outside. This means it's very, very cold.
Great phrases. Let's practice. If I say, "What's the weather like today?" How do you answer?
You can say, "It's sunny but a bit windy," or "It's raining again," or "It's freezing, so wear a coat."
Perfect. Now let's talk about the seasons in the UK. Sarah, can you describe each season?
Of course. Let's start with spring. Spring is from March to May. The weather starts to get warmer. Flowers start to grow. It rains quite a lot in spring, but you also get sunny days.
Spring is beautiful because everything becomes green again after winter. What about summer?
Summer is from June to August. This is the warmest time of year. Days are long. The sun sets at 9 or 10 at night. It can be hot, but not always. Sometimes summer is rainy too.
British people love summer because it doesn't last long. We try to enjoy every sunny day. Now, autumn or fall from September to November.
Autumn is beautiful. The leaves on trees turn red, orange, and yellow. Then they fall to the ground. The weather gets colder and windier. It rains more.
And then winter from December to February.
Winter is cold. Sometimes it snows, but not every year. Days are short. The sun sets at 4 in the afternoon. It's dark when you go to work and dark when you come home.
Winter can be depressing for some people because of the short days, but Christmas makes it special.
Yes, Christmas lights and decorations make winter more cheerful. Welcome back to Epic English. We're talking about British weather. Mark, I have a question for our listeners.
Oh, good. Let's ask them.
What is the weather like in your country? Is it similar to the UK or very different?
Yes, we'd love to know. Do you have 4 seasons? Does it rain a lot? Does it snow in winter?
Write your answers in the comments. We'll read some in our next episode.
Great idea. Now let's talk about how the weather affects daily life in the UK.
Oh, it affects everything. For example, when the sun comes out, everyone goes outside. Parks get very busy. Cafes put tables and chairs outside.
And when it rains, everyone rushes indoors. People carry umbrellas everywhere. You can always find a shop selling umbrellas.
British people also talk about the weather before starting a conversation. For example, if you're in a lift with a stranger, what do you say?
Cold today, isn't it?
Yes, or it looks like rain later. It's a way to be friendly without saying anything too personal.
That's very British. Okay, let's learn some idioms about weather.
Oh, I love idioms. What's your favorite?
It's raining cats and dogs. This means it's raining very heavily. It's an old idiom and people don't use it as much now, but it's fun to know.
I like that one. Another one is under the weather. If you feel under the weather, you feel a little ill or tired.
For example, I'm not coming to work today. I feel a bit under the weather.
Yes. Another one, storm in a teacup. This means making a big deal about something small.
Like when someone gets very angry about a small problem. He was shouting about the cold coffee, but it was just a storm in a teacup.
Perfect. And finally, save for a rainy day. This means to save money for difficult times in the future.
I put some money in the bank every month, saving for a rainy day.
Great idioms. Now let's do a quick review. Mark, can you ask our listeners some questions?
Of course. Question 1. What does drizzle mean?
Drizzle is very light rain.
Question 2. What season comes after summer?
Autumn or fall.
Question 3. If you feel under the weather, how do you feel?
A little ill or tired.
Perfect. Great job, everyone.
Okay, we have time for one more fun topic. Mark, what's your favorite weather?
That's a hard question. I think my favorite is a crisp, cold winter day. Clear blue sky, the sun is shining, but it's cold. Everything looks clean and bright, and you can go home and have a hot chocolate.
That sounds lovely. My favorite is a warm summer evening, about 7 or 8 o'clock when the sun is going down. It's still warm, but not too hot. Perfect for a walk or sitting in the garden with friends.
Beautiful. What about weather you don't like?
I don't like very windy days. It's hard to walk, your umbrella breaks, and your hair goes everywhere.
I don't like gray, cloudy days that never change. When the sky is gray all day, it makes me feel tired.
That's called gray and gloomy, not nice.
No, but tomorrow the sun might shine. That's British weather for you.
Always changing. Well, that's all we have time for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Epic English.
We hope you enjoyed learning about British weather. If you liked this episode, please like and subscribe.
And leave a comment telling us about the weather in your country. We really want to know.
See you next time. Take care and don't forget your umbrella.
Bye, everyone.